the all-in-one solution to test it. If there are anything wrong about it, a thing for us as an agency to build with, and of course win prizes. Yeah, sure.
Awesome, very cool. Your feedback really caught our eye because it was very genuine and very funny also, and interesting to read and creative. I just want to share with you that you won.
It's really crazy, and yeah, I can't believe it. It's really, really cool.
So congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
And now for the fun part. So basically we have 3 amazing prize packs up for grab. We've got the Playtime pack. Next up, we've got the Productivity pack. And last but not least, we have a Work-Life pack. So which of these stunning prize packs do you choose?
It's really hard. I really like the Productivity pack and the Work-Life pack. So I choose the Productivity pack for work.
All right, the Productivity pack.
Yes.
Congratulations, the Productivity pack is yours.
Crazy, thank you.
If you still haven't sent your feedback, you still have some time. The contest ends on the 19th of November. Are you our final grand prize winner?